Hey everybody, we're making some cabbage rolls here in my kitchen. We boiled 2 heads of cabbage and are pulling the leaves off. In this bowl I have, it's 50-50 hamburger and Italian sausage. My mom never used Italian sausage, she would just use ground pork. But that's what we had and I thought we'd give it a little Italian kind of flair. Into this mixture with the hamburger and sausage I mixed some rice, and I actually mixed about a tablespoon of pesto just to give it a little different flavor. I'm gonna roll all the cabbage leaves and fill 2 pans, and then I'm gonna top it with a little bit of organic marinara, and then they'll go in the oven for about an hour, hour and a half. When they're done, we get to eat, but also you can break these up. Let's say 2 would be a good meal portion into a container and go in the freezer. They freeze real nice, and then you can just heat them up. So for what we're gonna have tonight, we'll probably each have 2 of these rolls, maybe 3, and a side salad, and that'll be a nice balanced meal. Here's how I'm gonna roll this. I'm gonna just stick it in the back of the leaf, tuck the sides around it, and just roll. Setting it in the pan, it should stay nice and folded. All right.